I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Volkswagen Passat windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. It's important to ensure your new blades are the correct length for your vehicle, typically around 24 inches for the driver's side and 19 inches for the passenger side. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position, preventing it from snapping back. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm. Once the blade is detached, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto the soft towel you placed on the windshield. This prevents any accidental damage to your glass if the arm springs back. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new wiper blades are installed, carefully lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Now, turn on your ignition and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively without streaking. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.